Hello everyone, myself Tanushra. I am studying in 8th standard. My school name is Par Valley English School. You ask question, I will answer it.
Districts of Karnataka.
Districts of Karnataka: Bagalkote, Ballari, Bangalore Rural, Bangalore Urban, Belagaum, Bidar, Bijapur, Chamarajanagar, Chikballapura, Chikmagalur, ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ, ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ, ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ, ಧಾರವಾಡ, ಗದಗ, ಕಲಬುರಗಿ, ಹಾಸನ, ಹಾವೇರಿ, ಕೊಡಗು, ಕೋಲಾರ, ಕೊಪ್ಪಳ, ಮಂಡ್ಯ, ಮೈಸೂರು, ರಾಯಚೂರು, ರಾಮನಗರ, ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ, ತುಮಕೂರು, ಉಡುಪಿ, ಉತ್ತರ ಕನ್ನಡ, ವಿಜಯನಗರ, ಯಾದಗಿರಿ.
List of important railway stations in India.
List of important railway station in India: Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, Mumbai; Chennai Central Station, Chennai; Howrah Junction Station, Kolkata; Lucknow Charbagh Station, Lucknow; Gorakhpur Railway Station, Gorakhpur; Nagpur Railway Station, Nagpur; Mysore Railway Station, Mysore; Vijayawada Railway Station, Vijayawada; Kanpur Central Station, Kanpur; Thiruvananthapuram Central Station, Kerala; Borak Railway Station, Himachal Pradesh.
Types of doctors.
Types of doctor: dermatologist, doctor of skin; neurologist, doctor of brain, spinal cord and nurse; surgeon, doctor who conducts surgery; ophthalmologist, doctor of eye and vision care; cardiologist, doctor of heart; nephrologist, doctor of kidney; pulmonologist, doctor of respiratory system; oncologist, doctor of cancer; pathologist, doctor of pathology; gynecologist, doctor of reproductive system; pediatrician, doctor of children; veterinary, doctor of animal; endocrinologist, doctor of plants; psychiatrist, doctor of mental health; podiatrist, doctor of food; radiologist, doctor of imaging diagnosis; dentist, doctor of teeth.
Indian dynasties.
Indian dynasty: Chalukya dynasty, Chola dynasty, Hoysala dynasty, Kushan dynasty, Lodi dynasty, Magadha dynasty, Maurya dynasty, Maratha dynasty, Mughal dynasty, Pallava dynasty, Rashtrakuta dynasty, Tughalaq dynasty, Shatavahana dynasty, Vardhan dynasty, Vijayanagara dynasty.
List of international airports in India.
List of international airports in India: Veer Savarkar International Airport, Andaman and Nicobar Island; Visakhapatnam International Airport, Andhra Pradesh; Lokapriya Gopinath Mrugalayo International Airport, Assam; Gaya International Airport, Bihar; Indira Gandhi International Airport, New Delhi; Goa International Airport, Goa; Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport, Gujarat; Kempegowda International Airport, Karnataka; Kochi International Airport, Kerala; Calicut International Airport, Kerala; Thiruvananthapuram Central Railway Station, Kerala; Rajbhoj International Airport, Madhya Pradesh.
List of religions and their holy books.
List of religions and their holy books: Hinduism, Bhagavad Gita; Islam, Quran; Christianity, Bible; Judaism, the Hebrew Bible; Buddhism, Tripitaka; Jainism, Agam Sutra; Sikhism, Guru Granth Sahib.
Solar system.
Solar system: There are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
7 wonders of India.
7 wonders of India: Gomateshwara, Karnataka; Hampi, Karnataka; Golden Temple, Punjab; Khajuraho, Madhya Pradesh; Konan Sun Temple, Odisha; Nalanda, Bihar; Taj Mahal, Agra.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India: Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Indus River, Mahanadi River, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada, Tapti.
Continents.
Continents: There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Vedas.
Vedas: There are 4 Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharva Veda.
States and capitals of our India.
States and capitals of our India: Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati; Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar; Assam, Dispur; Bihar, Patna; Chhattisgarh, Raipur; Goa, Panaji; Gujarat, Gandhinagar; Haryana, Chandigarh; Himachal Pradesh, Shimla; Jharkhand, Ranchi; Karnataka, Bangalore; Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram; Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal; Maharashtra, Mumbai; Tamil Nadu, Chennai; Telangana, Hyderabad; Tripura, Agartala; Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow; Uttarakhand, Dehradun; West Bengal, Kolkata.
Fundamental rights.
Fundamental rights: right to equality; right to freedom; right to against exploitation; right to freedom of religion; right to cultural and educational freedom; right to constitutional remedies.
Fundamental duties.
Fundamental duties: to give respect to national flag and national anthem; to follow the noble principles of our constitution; to safeguard the unity and integrity of the nation; to follow the path of non-violence, secularism and democracy; to safeguard the public property and defend the nation wherever there is a need; to protect and conserve our natural resources; to preserve our nation heritage and culture; to avoid social evils like dowry and gambling; to strive to the excellence, respect is fair.
Presidents of India.
Presidents of India Rajendra Prasad Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan Zakir Hussain Varahagiri Venkatagiri Fakhruddin Muhammad Basappa Danappa Jatti Neelam Sandhira Reddy Sahil Singh Ramaswamy Venkataraman Shankar Dayal Sharma K.R. Narayan APJ Abdul Kalam Pratibha Patil Pranab Mukherjee Ramnath Kovind Draupadi Murmu.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Ministers of India Jawaharlal Nehru Gujarilal Nanda Lal Bahadur Shastri Indira Gandhi Morarji Desai Charan Singh Rajiv Gandhi Vishwanath Pratap Singh Chandrasekhar P.V. Narasimha Rao Atal Bihari Vajpayee H.D. Deve Gowda Inder Kumar Gujral Manmohan Singh Narendra Modi.
Chief Ministers of Karnataka.
Chief Ministers of Karnataka Changala Raya Reddy K. Hanumantayya Kadidal Manjappa S. Nijalingappa B.D. Jatti S.R. Kanti S. Nijalingappa D. Devarajaras R. Gundurao Ramakrishna Egade S.R. Bommai Virendra Patil S. Bangarappa M. Veerappa Moli H.D. Deve Gowda J.H. Patil S. M. Krishna Dharam Singh H.D. Kumar Swamy B.S. Yediyurappa H.D. Kumar Swamy D.V. Sadananda Gowda Jagadish Shettar B.S. Yediyurappa H.D. Kumar Swamy B.S. Yediyurappa Basuraj Bommai.
Union Territories and their capitals of our India.
Union Territories and their capitals of our India. Andaman and Nicobar Island, Port Blair, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Silvassa, Daman and Diu, Daman, Lakshadweep, Kavaratti, NCT of Delhi, Pondicherry, Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar, Summer and Jammu, Winter, Ladakh, Leh.
Borders of India.
Borders of India, North Himalaya, South Indian Ocean, East Bay of Bengal, West Arabian Sea.
Indian neighboring countries and their capitals.
Indian neighboring countries and their capitals. Afghanistan, Kabul, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Bhutan, Thimphu, China, Beijing, Myanmar, Myanmar, Nepal, Kathmandu, Sri Lanka, Colombo, Pakistan, Islamabad, Maldives, Males.
Abbreviations.
Abbreviation LKG Lower Kindergarten, UKG Upper Kindergarten, SSLC Secondary School Leaving Certificate, PUC Pre-University Course, BA Bachelor of Arts, BAE Bachelor of Arts in Education, BH Bachelor of Architecture, BAM Bachelor of Applied Mathematics, BBA Bachelor of Business Administration, LLB Bachelor of Law, MA Master of Arts, MBA Master of Business Administration, MBBS Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MCom Master of Commerce, MCA Master of Computer Application, MM Master of Music, MM Master of Medicine, MN Master of Nursing, MSW Master of Social Work, IPS Indian Police Service, IAS Indian Administrative Service, KPS Karnataka Police Service, KAS Karnataka Administrative Service.
Jnanapita Awards winner from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Awards winner from Karnataka. Kuvempu, Dara Bendre, Shivaram Karantar, V.K. Goka, Q.R. Anantamurthy, Girish Karnad, Chandrasekhar Kambar. Proverbs ಗಾದೆ ಮಾತುಗಳು ವರ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಿಪ್ ಕಾಯಕವೇ ಕೈಲಾಸ ಆನೆಸ್ಟಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕತೆ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ನೀತಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ವೇರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ವಿಲ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ವೇ ಮನಸ್ಸಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಗವಿದೆ ಆಲ್ ದಟ್ ಗಿಲ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಾಡ್ ಹೊಳೆಯೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಚಿನ್ನವಲ್ಲ ಫೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮುಖವು ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಕನ್ನಡಿ ಇದ್ದಂತೆ ಎ ರೋಲಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಗ್ಯಾದರ್ಸ್ ನೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸುರುಳುವ ಕಲ್ಲು ಬಂಡೆಗೆ ಜಡತ್ವವಿಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಐಡಲ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಡೆವಿಲ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ಜಡ ಮನಸ್ಸು ದೇವದ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರವಿದ್ದಂತೆ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಟು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಕಠಿಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಡದಾರಿಗಳಿಲ್ಲ ಟು ಆರ್ ಡೈ ಮಾಡು ಇಲ್ಲವೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಳೆಯೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಚಿನ್ನವಿದ್ದಂತೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ಸ್ ಲೌಡರ್ ದನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮಾತಿಗಿಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳು ಹೊತ್ತಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತದೆ ಎ ಜರ್ನಿ ಆಫ್ 1000 ಮೈಲ್ಸ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಎ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 1000 ಪದಗಳಿಗಿಂತ ಒಂದು ಚಿತ್ರ ಮೇಲು
Indian classical dance and their states.
ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕಲ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯಂ ತಮಿಳುನಾಡು ಒಡಿಸಿ ಒಡಿಶಾ ಕಥಕಳಿ ಕೇರಳ ಮೋಹಿನಿ ಅಂತಂ ಕೇರಳ ಕುಚುಕ್ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಕುಚುಕ್ಪುಡಿ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್ ಮಣಿಪುರಿ ಮಣಿಪುರ್
Main agriculture products.
Main agricultural product wheat, rice, sugar cane, jute, potato, tomato, groundnuts, okra.
Types of number systems.
Types of number system: whole number, natural number, integers, real number, irrational number, rational number, co-prime number, co-positive number, prime number, even number, odd number.
Waterfalls in Karnataka.
Waterfalls in Karnataka: Jog Falls, Shivamogga; Ambe Falls, Kodagu; Impu Falls, Kodagu; Unchali Falls, Uttar Kannada; Laguli Falls, Uttar Kannada; Maguli Falls, Uttar Kannada; Jaladurga Falls, Raichur; Gaganachukki Falls, Mandya; Mutyalmadagu, Bangalore; Anekal.
Types of fractions.
Type of fraction: like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction.
Official languages in India.
Official languages in India: Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Konkani, Kannada, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Indian festivals.
Indian festival: Ganesha Chaturthi, ಗಣೇಶ ಚತುರ್ಥಿ, ಮೊಹರಂ, ಈದ್, ಹೋಲಿ, ಗುಡ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ, ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್, ಮಹಾಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ, ದೀಪಾವಳಿ.
Bharata Ratna Awards in India.
ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ: ಸಿ ರಾಜಗೋಪಾಲಾಚಾರಿ, ಸರ್ವಪಳ್ಳಿ ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣನ್, ಸಿ ವಿ ರಾಮನ್, ಭಗವಾನ್ ದಾಸ್, ಎಂ ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರಯ್ಯ, ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು, ಪುರುಷೋತ್ತಮ್ ದಾಸ್ ತಾಂಡೆ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್, ಜಾಕೀರ್ ಹುಸೇನ್, ಪಾಂಡುರಂಗ ವಾಮನ್ ಕೈ, ಇಂದಿರಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ, ವಿ ವಿ ಗಿರಿ, ಕೆ ಕಾಮರಾಜ್.
5 oceans of world.
5 oceans of world: Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean.
3 organs of governments.
3 organs of governments: legislative, executive, judiciary.
Living requirements.
Shelter, living space, energy, warmth, nutrition, oxygen.
Countries and their capitals.
Countries and their capitals: Afghanistan, Kabul, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Bhutan, Thimphu, China, Beijing, Myanmar, Nepal, Kathmandu, Sri Lanka, Colombo, Pakistan, Islamabad, Maldives, Argentina, Buenos Aires, Australia, Canberra, Austria, Vienna, Belgium, Brussels, Bulgaria, Sofia, Canada, Ottawa, Santiago, Denmark, Copenhagen, Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo, French, Athens, France, Paris, India, New Delhi, Indonesia, Jakarta, Iran, Tehran, Iraq, Baghdad.
Important system of human body.
Important system of human body: digestive system, circulatory system, immune system, muscular system, skeletal system.
Karnataka neighboring states and their capital.
Karnataka neighboring states and their capital: Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati, Goa, Panaji, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad.
Folk dance and their states.
Folk dance and their states: Garba and Dandiya, Gujarat; Ghumar, Rajasthan; Bhangra and Gidda, Punjab; Bihu, Assam. Preamble to the Constitution. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. Thank you.